The all-new Davies Color Studio app is here, with a fresh interface built for creativity and control. Explore the app and experience one of these features straight from your phone. Take a photo, choose a shade, and paint with a tap. It's that easy. Build custom palettes, organize your projects, and explore thousands of colors, all in one streamlined app. Whether you're a homeowner or a pro, the new interface makes every project smooth and simple. Want to learn more? Just tap about in the app to visit our website for full details. Download the Davies Color Studio app now on the App Store and Google Play. Color your life today.